Inside today's video, I'm going to reveal the exact formula that I used to generate an affiliate commission yesterday of $500. Now you can see right here that I'm inside of my Gmail account and this email came in and you can see, hello Garrett, you've received a Powerline payment amount of $500. Now this came in yesterday at the time of recording was December 17th, 2019, and it came in at 6:29 p.m. I believe I was eating dinner and I checked my email a little bit later and I saw that this payment had actually come in. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna hop on an online whiteboard and break down the exact simple steps that I use to do this, so by the end of the video you can go out there and be confident that you can implement the same exact thing. Now before I reveal this powerful step-by-step blueprint, be sure to subscribe below if you haven't already. I'm constantly posting new money-making methods to really make money from home in a predictable, simple, and easy way so you can really get the results you want. But without further ado, let me go ahead and share with you this formula. So what you want to realize is when it comes to making money online, I share this a lot in my videos, one of the easiest and fastest ways to do it is to not do something like drop shipping, which can take a lot of money and paid advertising and take a lot of time of testing. It's not doing something like surveys where you're going to make very, very small, tiny amounts of money. It's recommending products that are already created for you and just earning a commission or a portion of that money when you refer people. The reason I recommend this is it's shortcuts. Again, you don't have to do a lot of testing. You don't have to, worry about not getting paid a lot. You can earn, in some cases up to $2,000 or more with one referral, which can totally change your entire life, right? So how exactly do we use a product that's already been created, go out there online and start to make money with it? Well, what you want to realize is it's a very simple step-by-step process. The first thing you want to do if you find a product to promote, and there's a lot of places to find products to become an affiliate for. You can go to Amazon.com, create an affiliate account and get a link to one of the products to recommend people to. You can go to clickbank.com, which is a powerful affiliate marketplace. But I'm going to include a link directly below this video, so at any time you can click that link and actually see my #1 recommended affiliate program to promote, because it gives you up to 100% commissions, which is virtually unheard of. But once you find a product, what did I do to generate $500 while I was eating dinner yesterday, and what can you do as well? Well, it's very simple. The first thing you want to do is you want to post ads to get people interested in the product you're promoting. Now, what is an ad? Well, an ad is basically just an advertisement. So if you've seen a billboard, maybe you've been driving on the highway, you've seen a billboard and it kind of says a little headline and then it gives you a phone number to call or a website to go to. That's an ad. If you see a commercial, okay, or an infomercial, these are advertisements. Well, that's what you want to do. You want to go to sites like Facebook. You can create a YouTube video. Okay, I have it listed here. You can go to Twitter. You can post on Instagram or an Instagram story where you can have, a picture of an advertisement that's kind of piquing people's interest about the product you're promoting, and then you give them a call to action. You tell them what to do next, whether it's call this phone number, go to the website in my bio, click the link below. I'll do that in my YouTube videos, right? You want to give people the next step, and that's driving what's called traffic or eyeballs or visitors to your affiliate link. Every product you promote online is going to have its own customized link. Now you can see right here that this is an example of an affiliate link. If you go to ClickBank or you click the link below, you're going to get something that looks like this. So it's going to be like www.theproductname.com/ID equals, and then you're going to get a customized ID. That's how the company who created the product knows that you actually got that visitor. Okay, it's going to track your visitors and your sales, so they're going to know how to pay you when you make money. Okay, so when I made that $500 sale that I shared, it was coded to me, and that's how I got the credit. Okay, now I want to share with you though, before I get going, I wanted to make this video to the point and really share with you how simple this can be. Now, you may be watching this too before I move forward and thinking, I don't know what to write in the ad. I don't know exactly how often to post. Again, the link below is actually going to share with you training and a way to actually have ads already done for you that you can post and start to get traffic and stuff like that. But in a nutshell, a lot of these affiliate sites will actually give you examples of advertisements you can go to, or you can share rather. So if you get a good affiliate program or a good affiliate product, they're gonna have tools and resources you can use to kind of model after. But once you share the link, I'm gonna share with you this because this is very crucial. Now there's two really forms of affiliate marketing. There's the amateur method, which will make you a very minuscule, very tiny amount of money. And then there's the pro marketer method, okay? And that's what I'm gonna recommend you do. Now, just because it's a pro marketer method and you're gonna make dramatically more money using it does not mean it's harder. It's actually just as easy when you implement what I'm about to share with you. So the amateur method is you take this affiliate link, you promote it, and that affiliate link is gonna lead them straight to a sales page. Now, a sales page online is basically a page that looks something like this. It's gonna have like a video usually, and then a buy button for the person to buy. But the amateur will take a link and they'll send them directly to a sales page. Now, why is this the amateur wrong method to do if you want long-lasting, consistent income? Well, the reason is most people will not decide to buy instantly. Most people will not get started right away. Most people take up to 7 to 12 exposures, 7 to 12 follow-up messages for them to buy. If you think about you buying something online in the past, chances are you didn't just instantly buy it. You did research, you watched YouTube videos, and then eventually you pulled out your credit card and you made a purchase. So you want to realize that. Now, the pro marketer method is, rather than sending them to a sales page right away, you're gonna send them to a funnel, okay, that has a follow-up sequence in place to work to convert that visitor into a sale. Now, usually the front of any good funnel is gonna be a capture page. Now, what a capture page is it's a page that has usually a headline and then a box to get someone to enter their email, and then a button to submit that email. And once they do, they're gonna be added to something called your email list. This is where you can follow up through automated emails, one email a day that's gonna convert that person into a buyer. It's gonna follow up with them the 7 to 12 times, and eventually the person's gonna either decide to buy or not, right? They may lose interest and stuff like that, which is totally normal, but that's how you're gonna be able to automate it. Now, I wanna share with you that this page right here looks very similar to the page that I actually use, and this is the page that I made that sale from, okay? So you can actually use this page or something similar at the link below. When you click that link, you're gonna get access to done-for-you capture pages just like this that you can use and post on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, etc. And then when someone puts their email in, the system, the funnel that's at the link below is gonna take over, and it's gonna start to follow up with your leads and convert those visitors into sales and income, just like I was able to do, making $500 while I was eating dinner yesterday, okay? So I hope you got value with this video. If you liked learning this powerful formula, click the like button. Also comment below what you liked best about this video. What do you want me to cover next? And last but not least, if you're watching this and you want to learn my #1 recommended affiliate program where you can earn up to 100% commissions and get access to a funnel that's literally going to do all the work for you once you send the person to the link, click the first link below and check that out right now, and I really think you're going to love that. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.